In today's video, I'll be showing you guys some of my personal NFTs on the Kadena ecosystem. Without wasting any more of your time, let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly what NFTs I'm holding. First off, the platform that I use to buy these NFTs is called Arcade. As you can see, they have a couple of games and a couple of games that are being developed and are coming soon. Also, this is their marketplace. In my opinion, it is super simple and it is super easy to use. As you can see, they have a couple of different NFTs. When I first heard about Arcade, there wasn't a single NFT project on them. But now it seems like every couple of weeks they have a new project launching, and I'm pretty much jumping into the game and I'm scooping up some of these NFTs. Alright, so when I click on my wallet, you will see the NFTs that I'm currently holding. I have 10 Brawler Bears, I have 5 Kadena Komodos, I have 4 Kadena Skellies, some KDA Punks, some Lazy Apes, some Lazy Penguins, some Sphinx Cats, and some Variant Apes. I'm simply buying because I like the art and the potential of future growth of each of these projects. The most recent one that I purchased are the Brawler Bears. In my opinion, they have the best artwork of any project launched so far on Arcade, and they have good utility as well. These are the ones that I have. My favorite one is the Firefighter one, and this one right here, the Crying Bear with the tiger in the background. But the most rarest one that I have is this one right here, the 1883. This is number 27 on the rare list, which is definitely a good position. Also, all of these bears have some utility and they are all being staked to earn me some arcade tokens. As you can see, over 1,167 of these bears are being staked. So for the first 30 days, if you stake one of these arcade bears, you'll be earning 200 arcade tokens every single day. As you can see right now, I have 809, but as soon as I refresh, I will have slightly more. See, now I have 810. And what I've been doing with these tokens, I have been staking them and providing liquidity. So if you go over to KD Swap, you will see the tokens that I've earned for staking my NFTs. I'm using them to provide liquidity so I can earn even more money. Also, some of them, I'm staking them. KD Swap has a ton of different staking pools. Also, the arcade tokens that I'm getting for staking the NFTs, I am staking them as well. Check it out. Right here is the pool. You will see that it is almost filled. It is at 95%. You can lock up your tokens for 1 month, 3 months. You will see the different APRs, and you can lock up for 1 year. Personally, I want the highest APR, so I'm locking them up for an entire year. And when we scroll down, you will see the stake positions that I'm currently holding. So on this one, I staked 1,070 tokens and I'll be earning 321. On this one, I staked 1,898 and I'll be earning 569 tokens. But all of these are baby numbers. I'm pretty much experimenting. I know a lot of people simply buy an NFT and they hold it and they don't do anything with it. In my opinion, if the NFT has utility, put that NFT to work. For example, on this one, it is earning me tokens. I'm using those tokens to provide liquidity to earn more. I'm staking them to earn even more. And in my opinion, you have to jump into the ecosystem if you want to make the most profits. And now let me show you all the NFTs that I'm holding for each project. Let's check out the Kadena Komodos. As you can see, I have 5 of them. I'm trying to sell these 2 so I can buy a different one, but these 3 I'm keeping. The Kadena Skellies, I have 4 of them. Check them out. These 2 are my favorite ones. That is why I'm selling them for 500 KDA a piece. I'm also selling these other 4 simply because I want to pull up the funds to buy a more rarer Kadena Skellies. Now let's check out the KDA Punks. As you can see, I have 6 of them. 4 of them are for sale. The other 2 I'm definitely not selling. I like them. Plus they are a little bit more rarer than the other 4. The Lazy Apes, I have 8 of them in total and I'm only selling 2 of them. The other 6 I'm definitely keeping. I also have 1 Lazy Penguin and I also have 1 Sphinx Cat. And both of these I am not selling. The Variant Apes, I have 2 for sale and 1 that I'm not selling. Also, the NFTs on Kadena are pretty cheap. The Brawler Bears are around 12 KDA, which is around $12. The Skellies are around $2. The Arcade 90s Bulls are around $6, $7. And as you can see, the prices are definitely reasonable. Hopefully in the bull market, these prices will go much, much higher. Will these Kadena NFTs skyrocket one day and be worth tens of thousands of dollars? Who knows? But one thing that I do know is if I stay engaged in the Kadena ecosystem, if I dig deeper, if I interact with the platforms, if I'm buying NFTs, even if they're only $5, $10, if I'm pretty much involved in the ecosystem, I'll be able to find the NFTs, the new projects that are launching on the Kadena ecosystem that could potentially blow up and make me a ton of money. The same thing goes for every single ecosystem. If you like the Binance ecosystem, there are brand new projects launching pretty much on a daily basis. The same thing goes to the Polkadot ecosystem. The Polkadot ecosystem is huge. And if you pretty much dive in, you start messing with the platforms, you start providing liquidity, staking, buying all these newer projects that are launching that have a market cap of like a couple of $100,000 or like 2-3 million. Chances are you are going to stumble upon an awesome project that can 10x, 100x, maybe even 1,000x. But if you're just skimming through and like, all right, I know the Kadena ecosystem, I know the Polkadot ecosystem, and you're simply not diving deep into any of these ecosystems, you are missing out. You won't be able to find the low cap gems that will skyrocket, and by the time you hear about them, most likely it will be from a YouTuber, and by the time these projects get to these big YouTubers, 90% of the growth is already gone. So the lesson here, if you like an ecosystem, it doesn't matter if it's Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, BNB, whatever the ecosystem is, if you really want to make those big dollars, dive deep into that ecosystem, learn as much about it as you possibly can. Also, it doesn't take tens of thousands of dollars. You can be buying, selling NFTs, staking, providing liquidity, all of that stuff with a couple of bucks, $10, $50, $20, $100. But the most important thing is you'll be in the ecosystem, you'll be involved, you'll be learning pretty much every single day. That is what I recommend for today's video. Obviously, not financial advice, but dive deep, my friends. So that pretty much concludes this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below, what ecosystem are you diving deep into? And as always, smash the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.